Why wouldn't you go vegan?
I probably wouldn't know what to cook, to be honest.
My taste buds might suffer a little bit.
If you've ever cooked this, congrats, you've already cooked vegan. The stereotype is when it comes to cooking plants or vegan, it can be complicated. But what if I told you it's actually really easy, quick, nutritious, and oh so tasty? Let's go. This one couldn't be more simple. If you've got cauliflower or a seasonal vegetable, all you're gonna need is some olive oil and maybe a paste that you've got in the fridge. Could be miso, could be tandoori paste, could be harissa, and you're gonna literally rub this on the cauliflower with some olive oil, salt and pepper, throw it in the oven. Delicious. I know what you're thinking, you're worried about protein, which is why I'm eating this, very high in protein. This is my go-to meal prep recipe. It's a smoky tofu scramble found on VegKit.com. Okay, we're just gonna saute your onion, chili, however much or as little as you need. Just like you would flavor animal protein, seasoning is your best friend. And a lot of these herbs and spices you already have in your pantry. When I first went vegan, my mum was like, I'm not cooking for you, but I actually have veganism to thank for why I love to cook and now why I do it for a job, because I learned to cook for myself. I Googled recipes like VegKit.coms, I found people online, and because of that, now I know how to cook. It's giving eggy vibes without the eggs. Smoky tofu scramble in under 10 minutes. Let's eat it. Ooh, it's got a kick. Well, I hope these tips inspire you to cook more plants on your plate. I want to see what you're cooking at home. Tag us, I'd love to see it. Or head to VegKit.com for more tips, tricks, and recipes. Happy eating.